Ka-6 Meghalaya Games hauni utsnem daman go hajuai we hakasin wanungkong yong kalumpung na do wasdang yaka enne desaki ye pynyoo rong ya ga yalehke roll ball hamadan basketball hakyang nang ba stadium juai yakani ga yalehke dawan sakhi do MLA ga juai wailat mikishla u president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ujon kharsi yeng wa kiwi kani ki yalehke to ko waju penman hamadan wahe kam ki madan khandau bilan he MR liang ki wakantup yakin rungut chiliang ki wasap da ki roller sketch ki yalehke kam open kanthi ki yaka ball wo thap chaliang parcha we ki wabon kol do uyo ye nam jom kani ki yalehke ne man ko pynyoo rong na mo ka demo match don hi usuk lang dakhar waman uskatri ka Meghalaya Roll Ball Association da ongu wagani ka yalehke to ka wasdang na India we da yalehke nangkong do yaka hasor ba puni hausnem arjarsan da kentu le yaki khana wo chimbenta hakani ka yalehke ka wadausdang won.
My name is Suklang Dakhar. I am a General Secretary of Meghalaya Roll Ball Association. Since 1995, I went for study in Pune. So at that time, I learned how to do skating. So then our this one founder is from India only. He is Raju Dabade. So he was my coach. So at that time, I learned roll ball also. And when I came back to Shillong, so I started this in 2019. Then lockdown came, so nothing happened. Then after that, in 2021, so we restart again in St. Anthony's High Secondary School. And we have participated in many competitions like the national, East Zone Nationals, Ek Bharat Shreshta Bharat like that. And plus we have hosted also Federation Cup in Shillong. So almost more than 12 states had come to Shillong to participate. So that's what we start like. From my experience, I was also a national, and plus I was in a World Cup, 4th and 5th World Cup as official. So I started here in Meghalaya just to give opportunities to our people.
How do you see the potentialities of these kids we are having in the state, comprising of different, with due respect to
potential, we are, as I already said in previous media also, this is a hilly state. So hilly state, they have more power. If they come for coaching and all, then obviously we'll learn skills and the endurance, stamina and all this thing. So once they learn this one, automatically they can play, stability also is needed, skill also is needed. So automatically they can play this game. So it's not that much hard game what you are seeing now. Well, it's very easy once you are stable in the skills. That's it.